This Galaxy Z Fold 2 Tom Brown edition, which we talked about previously. By the way, I'm using this thing. Will?
Okay.
The Z Fold 2, I'm using it.
How are you liking it?
It goes in my pocket. It comes out of my pocket. It gets propped up from time to time. Okay. Sometimes I look at the front display. Sometimes I look at the large display. The other night, I'm watching the sports on the inside.
Yeah.
During the big events, even if I'm not at home, I'm enjoying the large interior display over here. I got used to the fingerprint scanner on the side. Do I need to show it to you again? All right. It's in my pocket. There's a SIM card in here. You can reach me on this.
Well, it's good. It's.
However, it's not the top of the line.
Okay.
Z Fold 2, and now I'm very upset because other people have ordered up the Tom Brown edition, which is this lets you can have the suit jacket and the shorts. Look at the unboxing experience.
Well, you need to wear those shorts.
And then they'll send it to me. If I put the outfit first, okay, fine, I can oblige. Listen to the voice on this video. Look at this unboxing experience. Oh my goodness gracious.
Gray with a matte haze effect and the multicolored grosgrain stripe.
It's very
Look at this unboxing. He's in a suit just for the unboxing. He's got the Tom Brown outfit just for the unboxing.
That could be you.
Could be me, man.
And a back cover for casual.
Anyway, this thing is even more money, $3,300, and it's sold out in China in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. This Tom Brown dude, he's on something. He's on something, Will.
On something?
Yeah. He's got a real thing going on with the custom skin and everything else. I'm mostly interested in the unboxing experience, Samsung. So if you can get me one of these Tom Browns, I'll send it back if need be. I can just keep using the regular version. But
send a pair of shorts too.
Yeah, if you need me to get in the outfit, in the Tom Brown outfit as well to make it happen, that's a deal too. And I can do everything: the quick charging, the unfolding. Look at the accessories, man. You got the Tom Brown Buds Live.
Very nice color, I gotta say.
With the gray?
Yeah.
And the strip in the middle and the close-up shots? Wow. Is that a stainless steel desk? Sheesh. You get the watch as well?
Oh, yeah, bud.
Man, I got to get the whole outfit. Anyway, Z Fold 2 Tom Brown edition. They don't tell you how many of them they have. They're obviously limited. They just want to say, hey, we sold out in 4 minutes. Turns out they had 4 available.
Yeah.
No, I don't know how many were available. They definitely were limited. They start shipping September 25th, which is a week after the regular model. Otherwise, beyond the styling and the unboxing experience and all that, it is just a Z Fold 2. It's no extra performance or anything like that. But it does have a special case and all this. So hopefully I can get an unboxing video for everybody on Unbox Therapy. Keep it locked. Mm-hmm. We'll see if Samsung responds or not. Willie Duke can pull the magic.